The enclosure supports SATA 1, 2, 3 drives and delivers transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second via USB 3.2 Gen 1 with full UASP protocol support. In practice, this means noticeably faster file transfers compared to traditional USB 3.0, especially when paired with SSDs. For example, transferring large media libraries or backing up system files is smooth and efficient. Backward compatibility with USB 2.0 and 1.1 ensures the enclosure can still be used with older systems, albeit at lower speeds. The BENFEI 2.5-inch SATA to USB tool-free enclosure is a smart choice for users who want a no-fuss, high-speed solution for reusing or expanding storage. Its ease of installation, dual connector flexibility, and strong performance make it a practical tool for professionals, students, and everyday users alike.